Take 3 cups of rice and soak it in water for 15 minutes. Take 100 grams of soya and soak it in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Heat about 3 tablespoons of oil. Now take 15 to 20 black pepper, 4 cardamom, 12 cloves, and 2 cinnamon. Add them to the oil. Stir them for a second. Now take 7 to 8 chopped onion and add it to the oil. Fry them till they become golden brown. Now take 7 medium-sized chopped tomatoes and cook them for about 5 minutes with closed lid. Now add 1 teaspoon of homemade garam masala, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of dried methi, and 1 teaspoon of biryani masala. Now add the soaked soya. Stir it and add salt to taste of biryani. Add some water and let it allow to cook for 3 to 4 minutes in a low flame with closed lid. Now let's check. Oh yummy face. The soya are cooked well. Now add the soaked rice and add water as per the need of rice. Make sure you add less water since we have soaked the rice. Let's allow it to cook on high flame with open lid till the water is removed. Now stir it once and close the lid and keep it at low flame for about 15 minutes. Let's check for our biryani. The biryani has came very well. See, I recommend you all to try this at home, it's really tasty. And soya is very rich in protein. Make sure you try this. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like, share and comment on this video. See you guys with another video soon. Thank you.